Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Hello. Today I'm going to be doing this fall look for you guys. Don't know why I did this, but it is this fall look, which is super simple, and what I love the most about this look, you guys, is it is legit so easy for anybody that a beginner can do this. And I say this because your girl is not a makeup artist, and this look takes like no time. It's so effortless. It's 3 colors, that's it. It's super simple. So I wanted to do something that would kind of like help me transition into fall, because fall's 2 days away, and even though in Arizona we suck and it's still 90 degrees, I wanted to do something that made me feel kind of toasty, you know, a little cinnamony or something, I don't know, fall. I wanted to just do this look because it was the look that I had in my update video, and I thought it would be the perfect look to come back with a makeup tutorial for. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then go ahead and just keep on watching. We're gonna take this shit old school, and I'm just gonna talk while I do my makeup. It's been a while since I did that, but I was like, you know what? That's how I used to do my old videos. So I got little crusties here on the face. Hopefully this is okay. Hopefully the lighting's okay. I am filming at like almost 9 o'clock at night for you guys, but you know what? I felt inspired, so let's just, oh, that's not cool. Let's just do this. Lately I have been using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the color 128 Warm Nude, and I've been using this because it is pretty full coverage. I don't have to apply too much onto my face, especially for like a work day. I don't like to have a bunch of stuff on. Actually, it's funny because for work nowadays, I don't even do eyeliner or anything like that. I try to just do makeup on Fridays. Like, not that I don't wear makeup to work, because I definitely wear makeup to work, but I just try to wear a lot less than what I would normally wear. I do a nice little even layer of foundation here. This is literally like a pump and a half, I think. And even that might have been a bit too much, because this stuff is really good. It's got a really nice coverage. It's just a really good foundation, and it's super cheap. You guys are gonna have to bear with me because I don't have like all my stuff here. This is the most janky setup, if you guys could believe. I have my laundry basket, I have a basket, and then my mirror. So we're just gonna try to make this work, all right? And then we're gonna do some concealer. Oh, this is not a good color. I grabbed the wrong one. We're gonna be a little bit light, but that's okay. We're just gonna work with it. It's kind of peachy too. I don't like that, but you know what? We already placed it, so whatever. It's because I ran out of the concealer that I use all the time, so I have to go get some. I actually really want to try out the Sephora concealer, so if any of you guys have used it and you guys think it's awesome and worth it, because it's only like I think $13 or $14, I definitely want to try it out. Let me know what you guys think, if I should do it or not. Also, I ran out of powder, so I don't have any setting powder to bake with or anything like that. Your girl is running low. Like, what am I doing? What I have been using is this guy. This is the BH Cosmetics contour palette. My lid's a little bit broken, but this is what it looks like. I just take that yellow shade and I just put it underneath my eyeballs so that I can kind of bake with it. Nothing cray. And then maybe right here on the faux head. I recently picked up this Bisou face powder. This is in the color Shell Beige, number 9, Shell Beige, and I'm loving this. I tried it from my tia. She had some at her house, and I tried it out, and I was like, yo, this powder's bomb. I need to get some. So when I went to Mexico, like 2 weekends ago, or whenever the hell I went, I got some powder, and I really like it. And then I'm gonna go in with my Cocoa Collection by Kylie Cosmetics. I don't really give a crap. I just think it's a really pretty color. As you can tell, I have definitely hit pan on that bad boy. But I want to try out a new contour. What I like about this one is it's got a little bit of shimmer to it. I don't really like a fully matte contour, or whatever you call this, bronzer, whatevs. I don't like it fully matte because I feel like it doesn't really help add dimension to my face. I don't know why. I just feel like having a little bit of shimmer helps add a little bit of dimension. I could be tripping, but you know, your girl doesn't know that much about makeup. Let's be real here. My chair's so squeaky. As you can see, it is definitely adding some life back into our face, back into our lives, okay? We're just adding a little bit. Seriously, this chair's so squeaky. I'm so sorry, guys. And then I just take a little bit of this and go down the nose. Ooh, I feel like this could be like a 15-minute makeup challenge. Like, I feel like I'm killing it. You know why though? It's because this is kind of like my everyday face so far. Well, kind of. It's a little bit less, but these steps are kind of the same. So it's going a little bit fast because I always have to rush in the mornings because your girl runs late quite often. For my eyes, I was actually super inspired by my bank teller. I know that sounds really weird, but I was at the bank and I was like, oh my God, your eyes are gorgeous. Like, what do you have on your eyes? And she was like,
oh, I think it's the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette or the Honey palette. I don't remember which one.
And I think it was the Honey because she had like this yellow lid, but even still, she inspired me. So I'm using the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette, and I'm using the color Peanut Butter, which is one of my favorite browns. And I'm literally just putting this all over the lid and kind of blending it up towards the brow bone. This also, you guys, just a quick little tip, is how I do my makeup in the morning. I take a contour shade, whether it's what I actually put for my contour or just any brown, and I put it all over the whole lid because it really just adds a little bit of life. Like, look at how dead this eye looks and how not dead this eye looks. I mean, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like, I don't know. I feel like it helps. I was just kind of playing around with this palette, and then I was like, yo, this could be a really good look for the fall. And then I was like, fall makeup tutorial, I got you. Cause you know, it's gonna happen. Fall's gonna come right around the corner. Actually, when does fall start? Let's find out. You know, I never know living in Arizona because it's so effing hot, like 90% of the time. But we actually had some rain the other day, which was super random. When is the first day of fall? Okay, she like doesn't want to talk to us, but she basically told me that fall began September 22nd, which is like 2 days from now, and it's still like 90 degrees in Arizona. So that is just to show you that we don't really get fall when fall happens. We get fall more towards like maybe like end of October. It just depends on the year. If it already started out super hot, then October's probably gonna be a little bit hot. But if it started out kind of cool, then it starts to get cool in October. Some Halloweens were cold, some Halloweens were not. So it just really depends what Arizona feels like doing that year. Now that I have that peanut butter color all over the lid, I'm gonna take Nuts About You, which is this really pretty like red brown color. I just love rusty red brown colors because I feel like they scream fall, and I also feel like they look really good with like green eyes or hazel eyes. I just think it looks really nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that mostly on the lid, but kind of bringing it into the crease just a little bit. And I'm using a smaller brush, so I used a more fluffy brush to do the all over lid color, and a smaller brush to kind of do more of the lid and kind of like the inner crease here. And legit, that's all we're doing, you guys. Like, we're just adding this red brown color, blending it out, and then I'm actually gonna take my finger into that color and press it onto the lid to make it just a little bit more noticeable, I guess. Once you have placed that color, go ahead and go back into that peanut butter and just really blend those colors together so you don't have any kind of harsh lines. And then, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and take that Nuts About You color on our finger and just pop that onto the lid so that we get a little bit more of a pigmented red-brown color here. Focusing that all on the lid though, don't go too much into the crease. And then just like, seriously you guys, look at how the rusty colors really bring out the green or the hazel, if you have hazel eyes, in your eyes. Like, it's a no-brainer. I'm dragging that peanut butter color under my lid, and I'm just using that same brush that we applied the Nuts About You, so there might still be a little bit of that brown, or sorry, that red brown, but it's totally okay because it's gonna kind of just add to the look. You want to kind of clean it up because you want it to look a little bit nicer. Don't worry, we're still gonna blend a little bit, but just clean up under the brows, and that seriously makes such a huge change. I'm using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm taking that Sunny's color, which is this gorgeous like yellow light color. I don't even know how to explain it, it's just so pretty, and I'm adding that right under the brow. I just hit pan. That's literally so sad. And then we're just leaving it like that because, you know, finished look, whatevs. We're gonna go back in with our bigger brush, no color on the brush, and we're just gonna blend. And we're just really blending that peanut butter into that highlight color, the Sunny's color. Really blending that out, and then just going right here into the inner crease and really blending out where the brown and the red brown meet, and then just blending the colors together from top and bottom. And that's legit all I did for that look, you guys. I know it's gonna seem crazy, like I actually tried to do something in the video, but I didn't. I tricked you. This is what I did. It's so simple. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna throw on some lashes, fill in our eyebrows, dust away this stuff on our face, and that's it. We're done. I'm gonna do the lashes off camera because you guys all know how to apply lashes, and I always seem to have issues when I'm trying to like do it on camera. So I'm gonna apply the lashes, and I'm also going to do my brows off camera. I do have a brow tutorial if you guys want to see that. I show you guys how I do it with powder and how I do it with pencil, I believe. Check out that brow tutorial. But yeah, I will do those off camera, and then I will show you guys the lip. Okay, so I did my brows, my lashes off camera, but I said I was gonna show you guys my lips. So what I wore in that video was literally just a lip liner and a lip gloss. This is kind of like my favorite combination ever. You know what, let me put some blush on really quick. I forgot to tell y'all, I love doing this little blush combination. So this is the Pixie and Chloe Morello collab. I used to be like obsessed with her, you guys. I use the reddish color and this kind of, I don't even know what you'd call this. It's like a corally mauve-y kind of color. And I just kind of do a little dip in both of those, and then I just put it on my cheeks so that we can add a little bit of color to our cheeks. And that is legit it. For our lips, I use a lip liner from, I want to say it's NK. I don't really know. I want to say it's NK, but I don't know. This is in the color Cocoa. So it's just a really pretty brown lip liner. And I just line my lips ever so carefully. Not really, I suck at lip lining. I don't know what it is, but lips are like the hardest thing for me. I really don't know why, but they just are. Okay, once we have lined and kind of filled them in with the lip liner, we're literally just gonna take the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the color, I wanna say it's Unreal. The name's kind of coming off, but it's just a really nice nude, and we're just gonna put that over it. I seriously love this color combination. It's like legit my favorite. I think it's like perfect for everyday kind of color, and it's also perfect for fall, but I could be tripping. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair out now. It's kind of a little bit messy right now. Try to make it look semi-presentable. Semi. And that's literally it, you guys. That's all it is to do this fall look. I just thought it was perfect for fall because it's like fall colors and it's super simple. My favorite thing about this is that there's no eyeliner, which makes it literally one of the easiest things to do. And I only used 3 colors. That's it. Like I said, it's a super simple, effortless look, and it takes like no time. It's very minimal. You don't even have to put too much into it, and you can still look put together like this. This is a look, okay? If you guys liked this talk through video, the talk through makeup tutorial, please give this video a huge thumbs up. All my OGs, you know I got you. Show me mad love. Give me a thumbs up, share the videos, whatever you want to do with it. And all of my newbies that are coming in, if you liked it, please give me a huge thumbs up, and definitely subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos. But with that being said, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.